blowing air into the tube at the top. Infant life vests are located in the overhead compartment. It is a federal offense to remove a life vest from the aircraft. For operation of the infant life vest, please see the safety briefing card or ask a flight attendant. A cabin safety card containing more information about this aircraft is located in the seat pocket in front of you. Please take a few moments to review this important safety information. We ask your assistance in preparing the cabin for departure. Please check to see that your seatbelt is securely fastened, your tray table is closed and locked, and your carry-on baggage is properly stowed beneath the seat in front of you. If you're traveling in the first class cabin, please be sure that your seat back is in the full upright position. If you're seated next to a window, please raise your window shades for takeoff. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including the use of electronic smoking devices, is not permitted at any time. For your safety, our lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. Federal regulations prohibit the tampering with, disabling, or destroying of any installed detector. Your flight attendant call button and reading light control are located on the panel just above you, and our aircraft is equipped with a central air conditioning system for your comfort. We'd be happy to assist you in any way during your flight. On behalf of all of us at Hawaiian Airlines, thank you very much for choosing to fly with us. Mahalo nui loa and enjoy your flight. E noho ana nea, a mahalo ho i ki alanga pu ana mai.